What you got there? A recording studio?
Show us how you dance, Jeremy. Go, Jeremy. Go, Jeremy. Say thanks.
You're welcome, Jeremy.
Just said thanks. You see that?
I did. That's nice.
We'll take it out of the box when I'm done with the video.
I was looking for the scissors.